Today's date is 9 February, and for this particular video, I'm gonna take you guys with me while I run a couple estimates. Here lately, I've been getting a lot of calls and a lot of emails from potential clients that's looking for quotes for mowing for this coming season. So guys, just as a tip, don't wait. Respond to your people as soon as you can, because at the same time, when they contact you, they could contact 2 or 3 other companies at the exact same time. And it could be a matter of who gets it first. So don't wait, don't wait. Go ahead and jump on it while you can. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get to it. Big property, guys, big property. This right here is probably the biggest commercial property that I've dealt with thus far. So the building is actually a doctor's office. And guys, please excuse me, I'm right here by this main road, so you're gonna hear cars going by. But this building is it's actually a doctor's office. A lot of square footage. This right here is like lot 1. As you can see, the creek kind of separates the two. It's a creek right down here. And this side right here is the other side that needs to be cut. I just got off the phone with the guy, and the way he explained it to me, it kind of runs in an L shape. Kind of runs in an L shape. See the sidewalk here? Goes down there. I'll show you what this side looks like over here. So guys, I actually acquired this lead through a gentleman at my gym. He's getting older, and there's some projects that he just don't want to deal with no more. So he's sort of passing the torch on to me. So that's why I say it's very important, guys, to always talk to people and let them know about your business. Because when these older guys get ready to step down, if they genuinely trust you, and if you can produce good work at the same that they would, they'll turn the work over to you. I promise you they will. But like I said, this is property number 1. Nice little size. He said it'll probably take me about 3 hours. I don't think it'll take that long. Oh. Oh. So here's the back side of it. For the most part, it's pretty flat. It's pretty flat. It's once a week on this property. Once a week. It's really not bad at all. It's just the fact that all of the grass is not in one location. You have to continue to move. Grass here, no grass here, so it really shouldn't be too bad, man, honestly. It's nice and flat. That's my main thing. I really don't like hills. A little hill there, but it's not bad. The Bobcat can take that. It's not bad, guys. I think this is something I can definitely handle. One man show. This is the first one. So I'll touch base with you when I touch down to the next one. Stay tuned. Whoa, guys, so I just got off the phone with the guy who connected me to this property, and it's actually more. It's more. So now I see what he was saying, where it can definitely take some time, because it's all of this too. It's all of this too. I was missing a whole other side. That's why it's important, guys. Make sure that you have the correct scope of work, because if you don't, you'll be giving prices on the wrong thing. On the wrong thing. This side over here, I don't know what, 20 minutes. I would have cut myself out of 20-30 minutes. And when you talk about edging and blowing, it's gonna be more than that. And so they actually own all of this over here too, guys, that you can see. We just left from over there, but it wraps all the way around. Nice size property. Nice size property. It goes all the way from that pole and she wraps all the way around to the other side of the creek where we first started at. So that gives you an idea of how big she actually is. A nice size property. Definitely is a nice size property. But once a week, if the price is right, this could be some good money for me. And you see they have a lot of hedges along the way, so I can definitely stay busy. Possibly get some mulch in here. Well, I know they about to sell it. I saw for sale signs, so they probably about to sell this place, but we're gonna get it looking good until that time come. Big property, guys. Like I said, the main building is a doctor's office, and back here sits a clinic. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. All right, we on to the next. Just touched down to number 2. So number 2 and number 3 are actually side by side, guys. We have a salon here and then a daycare over here. So it's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I'm starting to pick up more jobs on the commercial side, you know. You start talking about daycares and stuff like that, people want it done a certain way. So it should be exciting. It should be real exciting. I'm not gonna do too much recording here just because, like I said, it is a daycare. So kids are out, people are out, so I'm not gonna do too much recording. So I'll get back with y'all in a few. So guys, I actually acquired this lead from Nextdoor. If you guys are not on the Nextdoor app, you need to pause this video after you like it. Like the video first and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And after you do that, go ahead and download the Nextdoor app. Honestly, guys, I can make a whole video all its own on how important the Nextdoor app is. But you guys need to go ahead and download that app and get familiar with the people that surround you. That's how I was able to find these 2 jobs here. Like I said, guys, the daycare sits here and then the salon sits here. They're side by side. So when we drop the trailer, 2 in 1. 2 in 1. All the bushes. Like somebody already trimmed them up, so it should be good for a while. But I love projects like this, guys, because when they have bushes around the property, mulch, all that stuff needs to be maintained, and that can keep you busy. So you just need to keep an eye out for that, because that's how you sell more. Mowing is just your way into the door. And after you sell them on mowing, it should be up from there, guys. You need to be selling them on mulch, installation, anything you could think of. So I like big properties like this. Making our way up to the corner here. The good thing about these 2 properties, guys, this property is 8 minutes from the one I just left. So if I am able to lock them in, I'll do them on the same day, because they all on the south side. They all on the south side. Have to do some weed eating through there. See, it's tight. That ain't no problem. And then something else I was looking at too, guys, you see that the play areas is right next to the grass. So when I cut, I'll keep that in mind just to minimize on what I have to blow out of here. So I will run the mower the same direction every time, because I don't want none of the discharge to shoot in here. That'll be adding more work. Gotta be adding more work. It's a nice size property. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Show you what the front looks like. Couple of stretches here. So check this out, guys. When I was finishing up the estimate I just did, this lady came out and she actually wanted me to give her an estimate on her house. So I'm about to head over there now before I knock out the other two. Let's get it, man. So far, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. Enjoy the ride. I made it to the next one. So this property here, guys, is actually in a little subdivision neighborhood. So typically with these houses, it's not a lot of yard. It's not much at all. $60 yard, guys. $60 yard. And you see the houses are very close. Very close. So my plan is, regardless, if I land this contract with this lady or not, I'm coming back to this neighborhood and I'm gonna flood it. I'm gonna flood this neighborhood because the houses are so close together. It's a good way to establish your presence. Very small yard. I wouldn't even need the Bobcat on this. I'll bring out the push more. 30-minute yard, $60. I'm definitely gonna do some marketing in this neighborhood. So the last two properties are in relation to the daycare and the salon that we just left. She dumped 4 properties on me. So as you see, this is a nice size yard right here. Nice size yard. I'm not gonna go into the backyard. Last one. Nice and open. Side in the back. If you guys made it this far to the video, please take the time to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss future uploads. Stay busy, guys. Stay busy. I'm working on the lot right now. We getting ready to roll into March. So I'm constantly busy. Be different, guys. Be different.